Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will share how to use community in YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open your YouTube channel, click on community. There are 6 options in the community. You can add image poll, text poll, quiz, and videos. If you want to add an image, click on image. You can upload up to 5 images. Click on select from computer, click on the pictures, click on open. You can add 4 more images. When you finish uploading, click on post. Now it's posting. Now this post created, click on view. You can select this. And now I will show you image poll. You can add many options. If you don't want to add options, click on delete, click on photos, open, and click on here and photo. You can choose different images. Option 1, let's say Canva or funky. So now you have already added, and then what is your favorite tool for blog? Click on post. If someone click on Canva, the vote will be 1 vote for Canva. And another one is text poll. So you can ask, what is your favorite social media? Click on post, and you will see here Facebook and Twitter. If someone is click on Facebook, Facebook will get 1 vote. If someone is click on X, the X will get 1 vote. This is the text poll. And another one is quiz. What is the name of Google CEO? You can add many answers if you want. So I have clicked Sundar Pichai, click on post. Another one is video. You can add existing YouTube video. You can choose your YouTube videos that you have created so that you won't get any copyright issue. So I have just and click on select, and then it will appear here. So write topic, click on post. Alright guys, if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching.